Once upon a time, a frog croaked all night in a bog. In a loud, unpleasant voice, other creatures hated his voice, but they had no choice. Frog sang with great pride and joy. Stones, players, sticks, insult, complaints, or bricks failed to silence him. One moonlit night, a nightingale sang her melodious song from the sumac tree. Frog was dumbfounded. Her music cast a spell on all creatures, including the frog. They listened to her with rapt attention and admired her. As she sang beautiful, dogs and herons came to her. A solitary lone wait beneath the summer moon, charmed by her sweet voice. Toads, tails, and tattles cheered her. They asked her to sing once more. The nightingale sang till dawn without a pause. The next night, the nightingale cleared her throat to sing. Suddenly, the frog appeared and introduced himself as the owner of the tree and a renowned musician and journalist who wrote the book Trumpet magazine. He commented that her song was not too bad, but it was for too long. The technique was fine, but the song lacked force. The nightingale was flattered and impressed that such a reputed critic had discussed her art and thought. The frog advised her that without proper training from him, she would always remain a more beginner. The nightingale took him for a Mozart in disguise. The frog said that he was a chance a modest fee. Inspired with new confidence and Nightingale sang more beautiful. Soon she became a famous and creatures 4 miles around came to her sing the frog chants and admission fee and earned a lot of money. The next morning it was raining. The frog began to train the nightingale, but she could not sing in that wet weather. But the frog offered to sing with her. She could not see through his game. He made her recharges too much. Her voice lost its beauty and became rough and shaky, but by the evening her throat showed some improvement. A large crowd of animals came to her singing. The willy frog extracted money from her and scolded her too. He asked her to practice even longer till her voice grew stronger like him. The nightingale grew more sorrowful and pale day by day. The quality of her singing gradually declined. At last, the birds and bees grew tired of her uninspired voice. The ticket of her crashed grossly and she grew miserable all the more. The frog criticized her and burst on her with anger. He asked her He asked her to sing with passion. As such, the nightingale sang loudly, burst and bent, and ultimately died. Frog described her a stupid creature. She was nervous, tense, and exceptionally prone to influence. The frog could now sing unrivaled in the book. This fable describes how a frog exploits a nightingale to earn money. This also tells us how to the bad training given by the quack for frog result. In the death of the nightingale, the poem teaches us that one should sing one's natural song. Bye bye.